Hey Dutchy crew, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to cook in some pork on the Ninja Woodfire. Not any pork, but belly pork. This is my favourite thing to cook. We're going to be using some apple pellets. We're going to cook around about 120 degrees C to start off with to break that belly pork down. Then we're going to turn the temperature up and get some beautiful crackling. This is our piece of belly pork. It's about 800 grams. All we're going to do is turn it over. I'm going to score this down that way, and then we're going to come in and go straight down the centre. We're going to take some of Dutchy's BBQ Rub and we're going to rub it all in. And those grooves down there. Put this on. We're going to wash our hands. So now we're back with our clean hands. We're just going to turn this over. And now we're going to work on this. So all we want to do with this is put a lot of small holes in this. We don't want to go too deep, we just want to be piercing this skin. I'm going to use this. It's got all these little daggers on. You can use something like this. This is an olive stick. You can use a toothpick or something like that. And all we're going to do is just roll down. Now that's ready. What we need to do now is wrap this in foil. We don't want to cover this, we just want to cover the bottom and the sides. Right, I've got double thickness of aluminium foil here. Just going to take our belly pork and lay it on. And all we want to do is bring these sides up. And that's what we're looking for. Tight package. Now this needs to go in the fridge overnight for 24 hours to start drying this skin out. We've just got 1 cup of apple flavoured pellets. We're going to pop them in. So there's our belly pork. Been in the fish for 24 hours. Dried up. What we need to do now is get this straight in to the Ninja Woodfire. So I'm going to go on to smoker. We're going to run at 135 and we're going to go for 3 hours. Our belly pork, we're going to leave it in this tray and start. That's 1 hour in. The colour's starting to come on that. We'll just take the temperature now. That's about 87 degrees C. I'll let this go for a little bit longer. This has had 1 hour and 20 minutes. What we're going to do now is turn this temperature up and get this crackling to start forming. We're going to crank this up to 200 degrees C. So just listen to that. Now we're going to cut into this. I think what we're going to do first Turn this over. Listen to the snap. So just look at that. That's Dutchy's belly pork cooked in the Ninja Woodfire. Be rude not to have a taste. Crackling's come off with that pork. It's so crispy. It's just falling apart. This is literally just like butter. And that crackling, to die for.